Sa Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors para sa karangalan na ito. Salamat sa Eddies, sa pamunuan ng Star Cinema, kay Direk Cathy Garcia Sampana, sa aking mga anak na sina Piolo Pascual, Juan Carlos Labajo, Bel Mariano at Josh Garcia. At sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Meet, Greet, Buy, maraming salamat. At syempre sa mga may diferensya, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Please welcome.
I will make you disappear.
Sa pamumuno po ng Society of Philippine Editors, on behalf of Ms. Kim Chu and Mr. Paulo Avelino, and of course, Direk Chad Vidal.
Regal Multimedia Incorporated and Regal Entertainment Incorporated, please welcome his office hero, Richard Gutierrez.
Everyone. On behalf of my co-actors and everybody behind Shake, Rattle, and Roll, we would like to thank Eddies for this honor and recognition. Maraming salamat po sa bumubuo ng most iconic horror franchise ng Pilipinas, ang Shake, Rattle, and Roll. Maraming salamat kay Keith Monteverde, Rosel Monteverde, at sa lahat ng creatives, lahat ng directors, na nating suportahan ng pelikulang Pilipino, hindi lang tuwing Pasko, but all throughout the year. And maraming salamat din sa ating mga media, sa ating press people na patuloy at hindi nagsasawang sumuporta na ipakalat ang balita tungkol sa ating industriya. So I'm here, I'm calling out to everyone to keep supporting the Philippine movie industry, and thank you again to Eddies at maraming salamat po sa inyo.
This year, Speed embraced a theme that went beyond celebrating excellence in cinema and entertainment. It is a theme rooted in compassion, gratitude, and community, taking care of our own. Last May, Speed took this commitment to heart through an outreach initiative dedicated to our senior and retired entertainment editors and writers. The very individuals who helped shape back and honoring those whose passion and dedication paved the way for many of us in the industry today.
And for that, on behalf of Aktor, maraming salamat po sa Speed for extending the spirit of bayanihan to our organization and to the members of our creative community. A shared belief that beyond our perspective and respective professions and affiliations, we are one industry, we are one community, and definitely one family. And because at the end of the day, taking care of our own is not just a theme, it is a responsibility that we all share. So,
The country's most respected actresses. English pa. From film to television, bawat karakter ay binigyan niya ng lalim, grace at authenticity across generations. Her enduring presence and remarkable body of body of work continue to inspire artists and stand as a testament to career built on screen legend and cherished icon of Philippine cinema.
Legend.
Please welcome our Eddie's movie icon,
Nakalimutan na pangalan.
Miss Rio Roxy.
Siyempre si Mother Lily. Ang aking launching film noong 1979, under Regal Films, hindi ko po siya makakalimutan.
Very touching
Nakita ko
naman.
siya sa akin.
Salamatan niya si
Siyempre,
Mother.
ang manager na si Tito Ray de la Cruz. Na lagi kami nag-aaway pero tumagal din po ang aming pagsasama ng ilang pong taon po. Siyempre si Mama Jelly Pangilinan na naging manager ko rin. At ang kasalukuyan kong manager na si Ricky Gallardo. Sa lahat po ng nakasama ko ng mga artista at mga nalabasan ko po ng mga production outfit, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat na naging bahagi ako ng mga pelikula nyo. At sa mga direktor na gumabay sa akin, sila Elwood, sila Ishma, sila Direk Lino. Nung nagsisimula po ako talaga ang tanga-tanga ko, ni sabihin na tumingin ka lang dito, kung saan-saan po ako tumitingin, kung saan-saan po ako tumitingin. Pero nagtiyaga po sila at hanggang ngayon naman, tinatanggap po ang lahat ng mga sinasabi ng direktor at natutunan ko rin naman po yan na sumunod talaga sa kanila dahil kung hindi, mapapagalitan ako. Malaki mo ko kahit sa edad ko ngayon na matanda na ako. Alam ko na, masaya ka at pinagpapatuloy ko ang gusto ko mangyayari sa buhay ko. Maraming salamat. Isang-isa kita. At maraming po salamat. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Siya na natiling relevant sa nagbabagong panahon, naging inspirasyon din siya sa maraming artista sa pamamagitan ng kanyang professionalism, versatility, and love for her artistry. Ladies and gentlemen, an artist whose influence continues to transcend generations. Please welcome our Eddie's movie icon, idolo ng aking kabataan, nagpaiyak sa akin ng maraming beses, Miss Janice de Belen.
Maraming salamat sa Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors. Nung una po akong humarap sa camera, never ko na imagine na makakatanggap ako ng award. This award or any kind of award. Ang importante sa akin noon, mabili ko yung Hello Kitty ko at gawin ko yung best. So, I've been in this industry for almost 5 decades. And showbiz has been my second home. I thank the industry for giving me endless opportunities, invaluable lessons, lifelong friends, and unforgettable memories. This industry also taught me resilience, humility, and the importance of showing up kahit minsan parang sobrang hirap. But this is not me alone. Gusto ko rin pong i-share tong award na to sa lahat ng direktor na naniwala sa akin. Sa lahat ng writers na nagtiwala at ipinagkatiwala ang mga unforgettable characters, and we're doing the best that we can. I'd like to thank, of course, the entertainment editors for always watching us with appreciative hearts and critical eyes. Nang dahil sa inyo, pilit namin ginagalingan ang aming trabaho. And because of recognitions like this, you have allowed us to still be passionate and to continue what we are doing and letting us know that what we do still matters. Thank you rin sa lahat ng mga artistang nakatrabaho ko. Because of you, you have inspired me to always do better with every project. And I have learned lessons from each one of you. Popoy, thank you for being with me in this journey. I thank my children, my family, my grandchildren. I thank you for your unconditional love, your understanding, and your unconditional support through good times and bad. Just know that you are the source of my strength and my inspiration.
Of course, gusto kong you've welcomed me in your homes and in your hearts. At dahil sa inyo, nandito pa rin po ako sa industriya nito. And most of all, I would like to thank God for the talent, for the opportunities, for the blessings. Everything I have and everything I am comes from Him. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa inyo.